Okay, get those letters up there.
Oh no, dude, you're out of letters.
Dude, we're running out of letters here, huh? Oh, I think you got a couple more over here. What do you got there?
It's shapes now.
All right, let's see it. Oh, baby, we are serious. Oh, I think you got some more.
Put some of those shapes on there, like the beach ball.
Oh, yeah. Grab some of those, Dewey.
The apple, the airplane.
Yeah, that's what Mom's talking about.
Those will go up there.
Those will go up. Here, bring one over. Try it out. Bring it over. Come on over.
Try like the apple.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Does the apple go up on your refrigerator?
Yeah, put the apple up. Come over with the apple.
Why are you being such a weirdo?
Come on, babe. Get over here.
Strut it.
Here we go. Oh, did it do it? Oh.
Sorry you missed that. She just ran around the whole table. Right?
Big, go grab another something.
Yeah.
I have to put another one up and then run around the table. Come on. Get up. Woo!
No, go around the table. Oh, almost wiped out there. I think that they're running around the table. Where's the table?
Yeah.
The white table? Oh, you didn't even know you ran around it?
So excited, she blacked out.
Dude, you're too much. Yeah, you're too much. Can you say oopsie daisy?
I'm gonna be daddy.
You're what?
I'll tell me daddy.
You're coming, Daddy?
I tell me daddy.
Daddy.
Open daddy. I'm gonna tell me. Open daddy.
Oops a daisy. Yay!
Yay, more.
More? We need more?
You can take them off and put them back on.
Alright, it's all gone?
Yeah.
You say signing off.
And
Wave, Dags.